Built-in trimmer. To turn this hair clipper into a trimmer, unclip the black housing on the front lid of the clipper and flip it upwards. Moving this in an upwards position will allow the trimmer attachment to rest on top of the clipper blades. Adjustable taper lever. Easily change the closeness of your cut between guide comb lengths. Move the lever up for the closest cut, move it down for a longer cut. Allows for easy transitioning of blending fading. Heavy-duty motor. Our PowerDrive cutting system easily cuts the thickest hair with 35% more power than standard Wahl electromagnetic motor clippers. This powerful electric shaver cuts through the thickest of hair with no snags or pulls. 12 smooth cut attachment guards. This 20-piece kit features 12 smooth cut attachment guards, vary in size from 1/16 to 1 inch. The smooth cut guards helps the clipper glide through thick hair easily without snagging or pulling. The brand used by professionals. Wahl clippers and trimmers have been used by professionals in the salon barber industry since 1919, featuring self-sharpening precision blades, quality construction. Top reviews from the United States. Wahl clippers. I had a set of Wahl clippers almost exactly the same as these. They lasted me almost 10 years. I feel quite lucky to be able to replace them with something that will probably mirror their performance. Great product.